The owner wanted external blank walls. Then talk continued to fixed screens, center courtyard for light and air. These summed up for them the tangible facets of an ideal home, a protective enclosure of solitude. True to the owner's requirements, the facade is entirely sealed off in most areas and veiled by fixed timber screening in others. The purity of intention to internalize results in a purity of architectural elevation on three sides. There is no yard, opening, back of house, but a pebbled path between a rhythmic timber screen and a lush wall of polyalthias. A double parking area precedes the entrance porch, welcoming residents to an astonishing journey inside the Centennial Tree House. A two-story foyer leads to an open space designated for the living and dining areas. A glass opening reveals the heart of the house, an internal courtyard with a garden and a pool. Introversion has a negative connotation in a culture where being social and outgoing are prized above all else. But what is withdrawal to some is energizing for those who thrive on self-reflection and contemplation. Life is found within. That fortitude and strength is visually given expression by a 100-year-old frangipani tree literally found within, centered in a large grassed courtyard surrounded with water. The tree was given a new lease of life, having been rescued from a Holland Road site slated for new development. The central courtyard acts as a well of light and air, allowing the light to change throughout the day, revealing different walls and passages in various shades of light and shadow. The centennial tree awakes, basks, and rests, and the surrounding spaces share that experience. The aesthetics of the house exclude distractions from the outside world, focusing on the purity and celebration of life's basic elements.